Okay, so this month you've been working on your one arm overhead press from a standing position. Just wanted to go over a couple cues for you to help you get the most out of that pattern. Okay, so first of all, I want you to make sure you have the range to get that arm fully overhead. Okay, if you are going to reach overhead and you kind of get stuck here, or if you have to arch your back to get the arm overhead, I don't want you to even do this pattern because you're not going to be able to do it well. Okay, we'll kind of have you use a bench propped up to whatever level of incline you can press vertically from, maybe 75, 60 degrees, something like that. Okay, but if you do have that range of motion, you're going to be standing, kind of comfortable stance, core braced, dumbbells right outside your shoulder, and I'm pulling down to feel my lat stability, and I'm keeping my core engaged while I press up overhead. Okay, I'm pulling down, press back up. I'm not leaning away. I'm not leaning back as I go, right? Stay stable and drive. I like the saying that you can't jump very high out of a canoe, right? So you got to be nice and stable to produce force. Okay, so the more locked in you are, the heavier you're going to be able to go, the more you'll get out of the exercise. Enjoy.